The inspiration for the new Satin colours starts off as research at trend shows that we go to, whether it's in Milan, Paris, London, and we look at interior design, product design, all areas of design that give us a window into future colours and trends and finish.
I'm a painter and a panel beater by trade, and I am proud of being a painter. It's something that you can't read a book and spray a car. It's something that takes years to learn. And when you look at how we process the cars in this area, it harks back to a different age, and it is so reliant on the skill and the passion of the colleagues and the care that they put in their work that gives us that end result. If customers saw the way these cars were produced, the sheer amount of physical work, the care and the attention and the skill level that went into them, they would really appreciate what's involved. So to process a Satin car, it is incredibly labour intensive. It is 90% hand worked. It involves the car coming in a gloss condition. The car is then hand sanded and cleaned multiple times and masked and cleaned again, and then the lacquer is hand applied in 2 stages in order to achieve an even, uniform finish.
The satin paint finish is unique because it scatters light rather than reflects it. It highlights the shape and the form and the styling lines of the car differently to how a gloss finish would. The process at Bentley for finishing satin colours is with a base coat and a clear coat by gloss. Then it'd be hand prepared, sanded down, cleaned, dusted, re-cleaned, and then 2 layers of satin clear coat would be applied, which leaves us best in class.
In order to achieve the required finish, all the vehicles are bought off by an independent production quality team who will thoroughly inspect that car to make sure that every single panel and every single surface of the panel is to the required standard.